Hey everybody! In this video, I'll explain a little bit more about what all kind of information exists in a knowledge element. So for this video, I'm going to look at a specific notebook and show you what kind of stuff that you can do with the knowledge element page itself. So first of all, I've opened it on my Chrome browser where I'm not logged in, so you can see this. My picture isn't here. So this is what a contributed notebook might look like for somebody who's not me. So if you look at this, you can see who the contributor is. You can see about how long ago it was contributed. If you click on that little picture, now you can browse through the things that I've contributed. So see all the other notebooks or interesting elements that I've put up there. You can see a thumbnail for this particular notebook, a short introduction on the about. There are some tags that are associated with this notebook, and these are clickable. So example, if I click the introduction tag, I can see other notebooks that have that same tag. For example, my quick start or intro to Python notebooks. Similar with this tutorial one. There's the notebook viewer, and if you hit this run this notebook button, it will open up this particular notebook in the Jupyter backend. But if you don't want to actually do that and just get a sense of it, there's a preview here, and you can kind of just scroll through what the notebook will look like without interacting with it, but just get a heads up about what the content looks like. So for example, in this one, you scroll down and you end up with some of these nice maps at the end. And then finally, this is kind of where the power comes from. You can see different related elements, and these are elements that I've tagged that says, hey, these elements are related to this notebook. So this is the Intro to Python Geospatial Libraries notebook. And if you look at the related elements, you can see that the Chicago Communities dataset is actually a dataset that I used in this particular notebook. And then you can see if I click that back, that notebook is also listed as a related element. And then finally, you can see this network of different related elements. So you can see that the Chicago community, so if you want to cite this, it has a citation created, and you can copy the citation and just paste it, and that'll have a link to this page that's all nicely formatted. And also up here, you can share this element, and clicking on these will open up the share capability in the various social media or email. And then you can also copy the element URL. That's a quick shortcut. And then if you paste it, that'll put back. So this is what the element looks like to somebody who's not logged in. But if I switch, so I've actually contributed this notebook. So notice this is what it would look like for me since I've contributed it. And you can see that here's I'm logged in, here's my picture here. So I can delete it or edit it from this page. I can bookmark this for me. And otherwise, it's fairly similar. So thanks, and see you in the next videos.